Alright, this is Joey with Best Trailers. Today I'm going to answer one of the common questions I get on trailers is how to install a trailer breakaway kit. Now your trailer breakaway kit operates separate from your brakes. This has nothing to do with your brakes operation unless it comes disconnected from your truck. Now the basic parts of it here, you've got your battery and then you've got your switch. If you ever pull this switch out, the battery in here locks the brakes up. Now the switch, you can pull it out. Don't pull it out unless you ever actually need it, especially if it's hooked up to your truck. I've seen people with them hooked up to the trucks, pull them out and then melt the wires on the trailers because you've got power going to your truck. And I'll show you here. The easiest way to think about it is think of the flow of the power. You've got a 12-volt auxiliary out of your truck here that goes to the battery to charge your battery, and then you take the power through from the battery to the switch, and if the switch ever pulls out, and then it sends power from here to your brakes, which goes to your trailer. Wires coming out of your truck, typically that 12-volt auxiliary is going to either be black or red. You kind of got to look at those to make sure. On this breakaway kit, that's the black wire coming out of the breakaway kit. Usually they use blue for the brakes. Well, that should be your brake line there, and then the blue coming out of your box here. Sometimes the switches have a blue or black. Sometimes they just have two blacks or two blues. Doesn't matter which way you connect those, just as long as one's connected to the battery and one's connected to your brakes.